against me.
He says it wasn't one of his clients that filed the case, rather a lawyer and corporation he'd never heard of, without showing evidence of what law had been broken.
There is no specificity in there. There is no signing under penalty of perjury by the attorney. So it's basically a fishing expedition.
He soon learned that dozens of other immigration consultants, non-attorneys who help people fill out and file complicated immigration forms, were also being sued by the same lawyer. Zia Fathi says he paid a settlement because it was cheaper than going to trial.
Because if I wanted to fight the lawsuit, I had to pay money out of my own pocket.
The I-Team has found more than 300 nearly identical lawsuits filed against immigration businesses in LA, Orange, and San Diego counties. And some of those sued say they are fighting back in court.
He's using the judiciary as a gun towards the people.
Shafi Afridi says he's determined to stand up against what he insists are unfounded accusations. He says he followed state law carefully, having a background check, posting a bond, and registering, and says he can prove it.
Injustice. This is extortion. You have to stand up. And
she could prove she never violated the law.
I'm 60 years old. This is the money that I want to retire.
The lawyer now defending Shafi Afridi and several other immigration consultants in Orange County, Ann Lockman, says she believes the cases she's working on stink of a shakedown.
The plaintiff attorney or the plaintiff himself use the Immigration Consultant Act as a weapon to attack all the other defendants and make them pay.
She says the act is unusual in that it allows a private person to stand in for the state, file the lawsuit, and collect the fees.
When these people are sued, is there evidence that they've broken the law?
No, not from the complaint.
Has there evidence found later that they've broken the law?
To my knowledge, with my clients, no.
The lawyer filing all these cases is this man, Sebastian Medvai, who we caught up with outside court in Orange County.
There's proof of rampant violations in every single case we file.
He says he's single-handedly trying to rid California of scofflaw immigration businesses who he says sometimes take advantage of people in jeopardy of losing their legal status by overcharging them for simple services or giving bad legal advice.
So there are victims everywhere. The problem is they're most of the time afraid to come forward.
None of the cases we saw listed a victim or plaintiff. Instead, Medvai has been filing the cases on behalf of a limited liability company called the Immigrant Rights Defense Council. Corporate records show he owns it.
The LLC that's involved in these cases doesn't get a profit. They don't get any money. I get the money.
Court records show Medvai has collected more than $2.2 million in fees and settlements from these cases alone. He wouldn't confirm that number. He says what he's doing is legal and justified.
Obviously, you think this is all ethical, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
In fact, he says he would gladly drop the lawsuits if the consultants could simply show him they're following the law.
If you're not violating, you can just show me the evidence that you're not violating, and you know, God bless you.
How many complaints do you think you filed that you've dropped?
None.
This is so wrong.
The consultants who are fighting back say they hope a single court victory over Medvai could begin to unravel what they describe as Medvai's predatory scheme.
And I let him know that this is the cause of my life in my email. I'm not backing up. I'm not going anywhere until I find the justice for me and for other people.
While most of the cases we've been following settled outside court, Medvai has won at least 2 of them at trial. The judge in Shafi Afridi's case is expected to announce a decision in December. We'll let you know as soon as we know the verdict. I'm investigative reporter Eric Leonard, NBC4 News.
Still ahead at 5, we know what a problem retail theft has been, but how many arrests have been made and how much stolen merchandise has been recovered?
It was weeks before her family understood. She had vanished. She, the star of the family, the young pregnant mother, the one with all the possibilities. The search for her was intense, and it even went national, and it also went nowhere. And then it was years later when a detective was called to a hospital